If your skincare routine suddenly started irritating your skin or just stopped working, this video may explain why. Sometimes the best thing you can do for midlife skin is pause or remove a few things. Let's talk about what that looks like. Welcome back to Life with Lady K, where we keep things simple but sassy, especially for my beauties over 40. So stopping or pausing products can feel scary. Many women think, I'll lose progress. My skin will get worse. I've already invested so much. But midlife skin often improves when it's given time to recover. Daily exfoliation is helpful, but too much can weaken the barrier and increase sensitivity. Layering multiple actives using retinol, acids, and brightening products all together can overwhelm changing skin. Cleansing too often or with harsh formulas will strip already fragile skin. When you remove the excess, the skin barrier has a chance to repair, irritation calms down, and products you keep work better. This isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing what your skin can tolerate now. Pausing doesn't mean quitting forever. Sometimes 2 to 4 weeks is enough for the redness to calm down, your texture to improve, and your sensitivity to decrease. At that point, you can reintroduce thoughtfully. So in the next video, I'll talk about whether retinol still makes sense in midlife and how to decide if it belongs in your routine. If you've ever felt unsure about what to stop using, you are not alone. Tell me in the comments, is there a product you suspect that might be irritating your skin, or you probably really don't need it right now? And I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching.